how is everyone doing today? And welcome to day 23 of Vlogmas. Yes, the 23rd day of December. Tomorrow is Christmas Eve. Can't wait. That's going to be an exciting day because tomorrow is going to be closing at 3 tomorrow, and I'll have to go get my coffee early. So today, I was talking about yesterday in yesterday's vlog that I don't think it's going to happen, this blizzard or this storm that they're calling for. Well, I woke up this morning, and to my surprise, I was wrong. It's like a blizzard-like out there. It's like you can't see on the other side of the road. It is so windy, snowy. It was like a snow squall. That's what they're saying, basically, a snow squall. So I'm going to bring you guys along with me outside. I guarantee that you guys will be able to hear me because it's going to be so windy out there that my phone is probably not going to be picking up the audio. But I'm going to show you guys what we've gotten so far. I mean, it's probably not going to be as much as Toronto or other parts of the Northern Ontario. But we got something at least. It's better than nothing. And we're finally getting a white Christmas. So let's go. Okay, you see this? This is a massive storm. Wow. Not sure if you guys can hear me. Nice though. Yes! Yes! Woo! Oh yeah, this is nice. Look at that over there, you can barely see. I'm definitely loving this. I don't know why people are still traveling. Oh my God. Woo. It's like hard time breathing out here. Wow. I love it. This is definitely a white Christmas. This is like winter wonderland. This is like a snow globe. It's like you're shaking the snow globe and this is what you're getting. This is nice. Ooh. Oh yeah. I think today is going to be hot chocolate day and coffee. Oh. From the Weather Network. For the Weather Network, my name is Chatham12, Chatham, Ontario. Okay, let's go inside. Oh yeah, I got it warm up now. Woo! Oh. Woo! 2:30 and it's still windy and snowing and blowing snow. Power is out, so instead of using my phone to vlog, I'll just use my camera because I have a lot more power on this than I have on my phone. Vlog on here, power's out. I heard it's only in the north part of Chatham, so that's not good. Like, we don't have power, nothing works. Like, how's going on? Look at that. Probably the worst storm that we have had since years. We haven't had a storm like this in years. Came back inside. I had to warm up. What am I doing? I thought there was like electricity. And the worst thing is I can't make a coffee. I can't make anything hot. Like, this is crazy. I hope they turn this hydro back on. Like, wow. This is like the most, like, I don't think we've ever seen a storm like this in years. I mean, we've had storms, but not like this. Like, wow. Like, I'm hoping everyone is safe, but I need a coffee. I need something to warm me up, but I don't even have that. Like this, I kind of wish I had a gas stove. At least I had a gas stove, I could always boil water. But times like this kind of makes me want to have a gas stove. That definitely would come in handy, that's for sure. Once I start prepping the grill, the barbecue, Start boiling some water. 6 o'clock, and the hydro just came back on about 5 minutes ago. I am so glad because I need a coffee right now, and I'm making some TV dinners for dinner, just something quick and easy, you know, ready to eat. Didn't want to order something because I'm not even sure if anything is open for delivery, so I want to kind of just eat something inside and, you know, have some good food, warm food, and some good coffee. Hydro did come on about 10 minutes ago, but it actually went back off, and then it came back on 5 minutes later. So it's like, what's going on? I love this winter storm, but I don't like the consequences with it, you know, because, you know, you're missing the hydro, people are getting stuck in ditches, people are getting into accidents. I heard that the roads are so packed, people are stuck on the roads. People are on the Highway 401. People are coming into town, taking hotel rooms because, you know, they don't want to travel anymore. It's crazy out there. I don't think I've ever seen the storm as bad as this in over at least 10 years. We have not had a storm like this in a while. So I love it because we get a white Christmas, but I really don't like it because, you know, hydro missing, you know, everything's going on. I hope everyone is staying safe. Have some hot food. Stay warm. I'm having my coffee. Something nice and warm. It is cold outside. I think it's like minus 33 with the wind chill. So it is a cold night. But I'm so glad the hydro is back on. I'm going to start editing yesterday's vlog. I haven't even edited that yet. So I'll have to do that. And by the time I'm done that, I'll probably... the TV dinners are going to be done, so let's do that. My dinner, I got some popcorn chicken. Yes, one thing I don't like about their TV dinners is they got sometimes the sauce all over the chicken, and I don't want that. I want to do it my own self. Got mashed potatoes, corn, and got some dinner rolls. The one thing that I've always said when it comes to eating and I'm about to eat, bon appetit everyone, and let me know in the comment section below on what you guys are having for dinner. Let's talk about it, because I'm going to eat like a king. Oh, it is cold out here. I wanted to show you guys this. It's 9 o'clock at night, 9 p.m. Woo, woo, woo. It is cold. Look at this snow. Look at that. Bunch of blowing, drifting snow. I love it. Woo. Just got done filming the Prime Tropical Punch, and all I have to say is you guys will have to check out for the full video review when it will be released. Definitely follow me on Instagram. Definitely where I'll let you guys know what Prime reviews are coming and when they're going to be released. So definitely stay tuned. Right now, I just got done uploading yesterday's Vlogmas. So if you guys haven't yet checked out that one, link will be in the top of the description as always. It's 11 o'clock and I'm actually kind of peckish. So I thought, let's not do a fast for this weekend. I actually was doing pretty good from Monday to Thursday. I was really good at fasting. I was doing like 14 to 15 hour fast. So let's kind of not do a fast for the holidays, at least from today, tomorrow, Sunday, and Monday. And just kind of watch what we eat, right? So I'm kind of feeling peckish. And I actually seen these at Giant Tiger. These are like nachos and cheese, but from the Cineplex. And there's like these individual containers. So I thought, let's have one for a snack. So these are jalapeno cheese sauce. Why not have some nachos and cheese, right? So you can eat it cold, but you can put it in the microwave at 10-second intervals. So if you want it a little hotter, have one. I'm gonna make one for my girlfriend too. So 110 calories, 8 grams of fat, and 1 gram of protein. Not a lot of protein, but I need some cheese sauce. I need some nachos. So it is almost 12. I'm just going to call it a day. I hope you guys enjoyed today's Vlogmas. If you guys did, show your support. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Definitely ring all notifications so that way you never miss a Vlogmas. Consider following me on Instagram. That's where I let you guys know what's coming up next. I do want to thank you guys very much for watching. And definitely share this Vlogmas with your friends and family. And I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
We wish you